Chief Meteorologist Brian Hale joining us here at the desk. Brian, there is a lot going on. You're definitely keeping a close eye on the tropics.
Oh, that's the focus of the story. So let's go ahead and open the book and take a look. And you can see that the tropical forecast is the lead story here. Chapter 1, lots of activity. And expect more, or at least well-defined activity over the course of the next few days. In other words, all of these tropical waves will end up as either becoming something like a tropical depression, a tropical storm, or hurricane, or some will just wither, some will just meander. So we got to keep an eye on those. But there's a lot of potential out here. We're also monitoring the low near the Bahamas. And we're looking at that and knowing that it's going to continue to move west. And the National Hurricane Center says as it moves into the Gulf, it stands a 50% chance of becoming something more. Now that is a huge oval from New Orleans onto the eastern Gulf and down and around and back to the valley. A 50% chance this could become something more. More what? Well, basically the whole guide for ranking goes like this. They're all tropical waves, right? That's just your basic low pressure area. Most of them are stretched out like ribbons. When it becomes a depression, it means it's getting stronger. It's getting better definition. It's now not so much stretched out as it is compact. And it has a better sense of what it wants to do. And then it becomes, when it gets stronger and stronger, becomes a tropical storm, and then it becomes a hurricane. We're thinking with all the dust in the region, we're going to stay around the depression area here. And that's beneficial to us because that's a rainmaker. Like a weak tropical storm or depression, those help to generate nice, beneficial rain. And here's that dust. And this is what's expected to just put a chokehold on development on through the next several days into next week. That's Saturday and Sunday. You can see all that dust and the dry air that accompanies it will help to stifle the next area of low pressure coming in from really getting out of hand. That's the thinking. So hopefully that's the way it'll play out. We always keep an eye on these things. You can always have a breakout, so you always look to be sure. But still, it's best to keep an eye on the forecast and keep an eye on your list of things to do. What if a hurricane did come this way? Am I ready for that? Be thinking about that. Also, you can check out our hurricane special and a whole bunch of stuff on our website, valleycentral.com. I mean, we're heading toward peak season anyway. You might as well. September 10th is peak season. 79 overnight tonight. Tomorrow is going to be a hot day. So if you're going to be out doing yard work, getting ready for rains next week, you're going to be looking at heat indices 112 to 114 degrees. South Padre Island looks like relief, though, if you don't want to do the yard or you don't have a yard. The head of the island, 86 air, 81 surf temperature. Next week, that's when the rubber meets the road with this forecast, and hopefully the area of low pressure makes its way to the west. I've represented it here with a dash line and a low. Whether it's a tropical wave or tropical depression or whatnot, that's it. Sparking off showers and rain and maybe some thunderstorms for the Rio Grande Valley. Note the clock through Tuesday and then Wednesday. That's just good news altogether for us because we are well behind for rain. We have drought conditions across the Rio Grande Valley, and we need this 70% chance for rain. And how much rain, anywho? Well, an inch or more, maybe an inch and a quarter, according to the forecast models. So that's good. We need that. As I said, we have drought conditions across the Rio Grande Valley, one end to the other, moderate to severe drought conditions, and it's no wonder. We haven't had any rain this month at all. The good times, they were back in April and May. Now we're in dry times, so we could use a good push from a tropical low. I'm trying to be positive about this. 7-day forecast, because I don't see a downside unless this thing goes crazy. We're looking good.